Good morning from Lanzarote. I'm outside the Jable Bermudas Apartments. It's only a small little complex in Puerto Del Carmen, but you lot have been messaging me time and time again to say, can you go and have a look around the Jable Bermudas? Well, I'm here very early doors. It's around 7:30 in the morning. I like to get here early so I don't disturb anyone. So let's go and have a little sneaky peek around the Jable Bermudas and I'll show you what it's all about. Come on. So your reception area is here, look, quite a nice reception. And it's sort of on the back streets of Puerto Del Carmen. It's just up the hill. And when I say a hill, it's not like a massive hill, but it's on this silent, quiet street, look, super peaceful. So there's a couple of ways to enter. You can enter via the gate either side and reception, or the pool bar. Now the pool bar here seems to be the hub of everything, and it is a really good pool bar. I've heard only amazing things about this place, and it's only a tiny little complex, look. Now you can see it's early doors. They've blocked off the pools, but you know Mr. TravelON, he's not scared of having a little nose around, look. So there's the pool there, plenty of sunbeds, and this is one of them places, look, where they block it off so that nobody comes in and reserves the sunbeds. I'm not sure what time the actual pool will open. There's a guy over there, I might go and ask him, but there's plenty of space, look. On this side is where you find the terrace to the pool bar, and look how big the pool bar is. I will go over that side and have a little look around, but you've got a big barbecue area here, which I assume they'll do barbecues. And it's one of them self-catering apartments that has got a decent pool bar as well. So if you want to come and have breakfast, dinner, lunch, well, you don't really need to move, do you? We'll see if we can see the menu on the other side. Come on. Before we do that, let's go and have a little nose at the apartments. They look actually really nice, look. You've got your little terrace area here with a table and chairs, so you can sort of sit out there and take in the views of the pool. And they stretch quite a bit. Now there is a little bit of a hill area here and a few steps. It's nothing major, but it looks like it's not too bad for sort of disabilities on this way. But then if you want to get into the apartments, look, there are some steps up there, but the apartments look really modern. Let's have a little sneaky peek inside that one. There you go, look, it's beautiful, isn't it? And listen, absolutely silent. I mean, I'm talking quiet. What a relaxing place. So from these apartments here, look, and I'm not sure if this is all of them, it's literally a short walk down here to the pool. So you've got everything right on your doorstep, and location wise this place is fantastic. It's not too far away from the strip, tiny little walk. So on this side, look, you come to the pool bar, closed at the moment, but it's huge. And here's the menu, look. You got breakfast, €6.50, €4, vegetarian breakfast, main meals, fish and chips, chicken goujons, look. Price wise, actually really reasonable. So it's one of them places, like I said, that's self-catering, but at prices like this, I mean, you can't grumble, can you? Right on your doorstep, you don't have to move. And that is not a bad menu for a pool bar. And I've heard the food is really nice as well. A little bit of breakfast extras there, look. You can even get a hash brown. Can't complain at that, can you? So there you go. If you come in here, that's the menu. So I did say from the other side, is that all the apartments? But they go both sides, look. So on this side as well, you've got more apartments, look. And these ones look like they're more suitable for disabilities because they're all ramped to get into the rooms, look. So that's quite handy for you. So if you book in this and you struggle, or you're sort of in a wheelchair or need a scooter, I think if you ask for the side by the pool bar, look, there's absolutely no steps at all to get in to your apartments. And again, this side, absolutely silent look, and everything's really, really well maintained. Gorgeous. So on this side, look, we've got another view of the pool, and I'm going to show you a little sign here. There you go, look, it is strictly prohibited to reserve sunbeds. So this could be one of them places where you're going to be okay. The feel I get of the Jable Bermudas, because I've popped in a couple of times and just had a little nose around, is that it's one of them places where there's like a little community, a little holiday community. I think you're definitely going to make holiday friends here. And the good thing is, with the pool being closed and the sunbeds not being allowed to reserve, I mean, that takes away one stress anyway. And usually, I mean, what happens in these hotels, particularly the bigger ones, is that people start queuing ready for when the pool opens, and then there's mayhem. I'm not sure if that happens here, but so far don't look like it, does it? So I've just snuck over the barrier. You know me, I don't care, look. And this will show you the terrace of the pool bar, look. You can see just how big the pool bar is. It's absolutely huge. Look at that. And you've got little steps here that will lead down to the pool. And it's only a little pool. And it's only a little place. So I reckon it's quite a friendly place as well. Everyone would sit round here. Or you'd get some nosy parkers here for sure, wouldn't you? People watchers. Definitely one of them places where you'll all be sort of sat around. You'll know everybody's business. And you'll know exactly who's up to what and what they're up to. But it's gorgeous, isn't it? What do you reckon? Right then, so I've just found out the other side of here, this is the other side of the road, is also part of the Jable Bermudas. So while I thought it was quite a small place, well, it's still small, but you've got this area here on the other side of the road. And some people enjoying themselves on the balcony here. How are you? You all right? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah,
So you're on this side and not the pool side?
We've stayed here a few times.
Yeah?
It's only across the road.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? And is this a two-storey or is there more upstairs?
No, there's separate ones upstairs.
Right, so it's double. Fantastic. But you're having a nice time?
Yep.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Lovely to meet you. I'll see you later. Have a good day. There you go, look. So they're sat on the balcony. So I don't know if you can request this side or request the pool side. I don't know how it works when you make the booking, but this has got sort of 2 stories on this side, look, and these go on, wow, quite a distance. Obviously the view from here isn't as nice as the pool side. For those of you that might have stayed here, let us know in the comments, is there a premium to stay on that side? It'd be interesting to know. But these look nice as well. So here we go, look, reception's open, look. Really modern, really posh. Some guys checking in here. Wow, this is nice, look. Beautiful. So that's a nice little modern reception. And you guys going home? Yeah. Oh, have you had a nice time? Yeah? It's only a small place, this, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nice.
But it's nice. And which side were you on? Were you on this? So you were on this side, and that was fine, no problems. And it says there, no reserving sunbeds. Is there? So nobody listens.
No, not really.
But I get the impression in this place that it's that small that you know who's reserving them, and they're all frowned upon. Is that right? It seems like quite a friendly place. Everyone knows everyone's business. Oh. Yeah, the pool bar's brilliant, isn't it? Yeah, and the food's good, yeah? Fantastic. Where are you from?
Birmingham.
Well, there you go, and you're heading back to sunny old Birmingham now. Well, there you go. Well, listen, you're on YouTube, so say hello. I'm just doing a little review of this place. What's your names? Ian. And?
Teresa.
And Teresa. Well, there you go. Thank you very much. So there you go. That was the Jable Bermudas. Some people call it the Jable Bermudas. It's spelt with a J, but the J is a H, sort of. So it's Jable Bermudas. So don't get messaging me and saying, can you do the Jable Bermudas? It's Jable Bermudas, and it is a beautiful place. Only a small place. Well, in saying that, sort of a medium place really. I thought it was really small, but with the apartments on this side, it's not that small, is it? But a really nice sort of feel to it. And like I said, absolutely silent down here. I mean, it's July, it's sort of peak season, You'd expect it to be a bit noisier, wouldn't you? But I suppose it is early doors. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's the Jable Bermudas Apartments, self-catering, Puerto Del Carmen, and right literally on the strip. I mean, from there to walk to the strip is literally about, well, I'll show you. So in the time it's took me just to say goodbye, look, you're right here and the strip is there, look, you can see the sea. There you go, Jable Bermudas. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, follow and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and if you want me to go to any hotels or you want to invite me to your hotel to have a little look in the room, let me know. I'm here for you. I'll see you later. Have a good day.